Let me show you how you can enter and exit the safe mode on your Motorola smartphone. So if you want to go to the safe mode, first of all, we're gonna open the power menu. You can, for example, use the power button and volume up at the same time to open the power menu, just like that. And then over here, we can just simply press and hold our finger on the power off option. So hold on the power off, and then you will see this message, reboot to safe mode. Of course, we want to confirm by pressing OK. And now our phone will restart. And once it starts up, we should be in the safe mode. And there we go. As you can see, now we are in the safe mode. Now, if you want to exit the safe mode, you just have to restart your phone. So we're gonna go to the power menu again. There we go, and you can tap on restart. And there we go. Now remember that if you go to the safe mode, then the airplane mode is automatically enabled, and it remains enabled until you turn it off. So if it was enabled before you exit the safe mode, then you will have to turn it off. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.